Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial to help you for the onboarding of the GoGlobal virtual exhibition. I will show you exactly the form and what we have in mind in order to fill in each space. So this is the form as you know it. You got it from Noga in your email. This is the page, basically how it's going to look like, your own page, one after you click into a country. So here is the logo that you want to have. And here is a short description of the country, the region, anything that can catch people's eyes. Maybe power numbers over here, things that can be relevant for the reader. Here is all the information that you have on, like, address and main contact person, maybe someone who will be available to answer phone calls if anyone is interested in anything like that, and all the links to the social media and website of your company, of your organization. This is a really cool button. It was supposed to be for a marketing brochure, but you can really put anything you want there because you can customize this button as well and change the wording on it. So instead of more from us, it can be a white paper, it can be a program that you created now for startups, it could be an RFI, that's something the government's looking for. It can be really many different things for your imagination. Here you will have a place for a video. This video will be a YouTube page. You need to upload it to YouTube and send us the link, and then the video will play here. I really recommend something that is either short and sweet, that explains about the automotive landscape in your country, what are the opportunities, maybe someone talking from your organization and saying, hello, this is us, this is what we can offer, maybe like saying this wording in a video. It can also be maybe a video of the challenges you guys have, but anything that can give the ambiance of your region, of your country. And this photo gallery is for you to upload photos. And it can be logos of your partners. It can be maybe a presentation that you can save as a picture with other power numbers. It's really kind of just to have a bunch of different templates that you can use. So if you have a PDF, if you have a picture, if you have a video, like all these different things. In the page content, you will be needing to answer 2 questions. So the first one is, what are your challenges and what technologies are you looking in order to solve them? And here I highly recommend to think as if you have like a virtual delegation, and you write each one of your delegation, what are the challenges they're looking for solutions for, and what type of technologies are interesting to them. And the other question will be, what type of opportunities you bring to a potential collaboration. And this one, it should be about you, how you can help startups enter your country, your region. What are the opportunities that they have there? How can you help them set up meetings or take part in some program? How can you help with their soft landing, offices, anything that they need? What are the potential collaborations there? And here you have all the company representatives. So what's interesting is that, especially for GoGlobal exhibition, no one else, you are the only one who will be able to have representatives here that do not work actually in your company. Let's say this is Israel. I won't only have to put people that work in the Israeli ministry, but we can also do a virtual delegation here, which is super cool. So you can actually host on your page up to 10 people that either work for you or that are kind of your virtual delegation, and that these companies you're helping in order to find technologies and explore more partnerships. Each one of these people will be able to see on the page and chat with them directly, create meetings. If they book a meeting, they each get a link with a virtual face-to-face. and it will be really easy. So make sure that here you click Go Global, okay, in the who you are, the organization name, all the types of different technologies you're interested in, okay. Here you have the participation fee. If you click on this, you can actually pay on this website with a credit card. We know a lot of you guys really needed this last year, so we're trying to make our best to kind of improve every time. So if you don't want to pay by credit card, Noga put in the email code, which will make this 0, and then you can transfer through a bank transfer. Contact person information. This is the contact person for us. So who should be in charge of this page and in direct contact with EcoMotion and the system. The organization contact information, all of this information is what I showed on the top right, this top right. So all the information here is what you want to fill in there, and make sure you double check everything that you write, every number. You double check the links to everything, because it will be more difficult to change afterwards. Another tip is write everything that you write it on a side Word doc. So if something happens while you click submit, all of a sudden there's no internet or something happened, there's a glitch, you have that information with you. So this part is of all the attachments. See the logo of the organization, you can upload it here, you select the image, and we have also recommended pixel size, so it's very easy for you to look good. Brochure, here is the PDF, and here you should put the name of the brochure, how you want it to be presented, if you remember the button I told you about. This is the URL of the video, and here they're all the images. The order in which you will upload them, 1, 2, 3, 4, is the order they will show. So if that's important to you, you can also manage that. Text. This is the part where I was talking about the Google Doc. So here you will have space to fill out your answers. The key phrase is the region or country, which we will write in the main GoGlobal site where everyone will show. And the short description is what I showed you at the top. And these are the 2 questions that I told you that will be in the page content in the bottom. These are organization representatives. So these are the people you can add, which will be connected to your page. And these are the people that will get most exposure, basically, on your page. And this is it. Here is a place for the code and the email and name for the invoice receipt, and you click submit. All you need to do is upload the information, and we will take care of the rest, to take it from there and to create it on the website. We're super excited to do this, and yeah, let's make a great platform. Each one, if you take care of the content on your page, then together it will be an amazing one. So have a wonderful day.